Happy morning, children. This is your Jyoti teacher. Children, in the previous video, we have learned the personal assistant part 1. I hope that you have understood that. Now, today I am going to continue the continuation of that lesson, the personal assistant. Children, listen carefully. So, what are the characters? Mr. Nog and a dog. Now see here, the story starts. Mr. Nog is a businessman. He is busy all day in attending phone calls, writing letters, and taking orders from all over the country. So, he needs an assistant. So, he is very busy in attending phone calls, writing letters, and taking orders. So for that, what he thought, he wants to appoint an assistant. See children, how busy he is. One side he is answering phone calls and see, taking orders and typing on computer. So now what happened? See, for that he prepared a notice. A notice is nothing but a piece of paper containing some information. It means in that notice he has written something and displayed in his office window. So he has prepared a notice and displayed in his office window. See children? So, what is there in the notice? See, the notice contained. So, in the notice, what is the information? Personal assistant wanted. So, he just kept the heading personal assistant wanted. And what are the qualifications he wanted for that post? First one, see, must be good at tidying papers. Tidying papers means setting all the papers in order, and must be able to type letters. And whoever the person he wants to appoint as an assistant must be able to type letters. He must know how to type also, and must speak more than one language. So, that assistant should speak another language also. So, the personal assistant should have these 3 qualifications. What are they? Must be good at tidying papers and must be able to type letters, must speak more than one language. Now, children, see this. Then, there was a knock at the door. It means someone had knocked the door. Mr. Nog opened the door. There he saw a dog. The dog walked in and barked once. Then Mr. Nog said that dogs were not allowed in his office. And he said he did not want a dog. He needed a personal assistant. See here, children. When he opened the door, whom he have seen? He have seen a dog. So here, who came for the personal assistant post? A dog. But he said that he did not want a dog as an assistant. Later, what happened, see children? Then the dog pointed his paw at the notice in the window and wagged its tail. So, the dog, what it had done, it has shown whatever is there in the notice. It means it came for the assistant post and wagged its tail means for the post it came, in the sense. So it said that it came for the post of personal assistant. When it shown its path towards the window means by looking at that notice, it came there. Then Mr. Nag said that he needed someone who is good at tidying papers. Tidying papers means arranging the papers neatly and in order. So, what happens? See now, see here, the dog had shown its path towards the window. It means towards the notice. So then, Mr. Nag said his assistant should be able to tidying the papers. Then what happened, see children? By listening to this, the dog started tidying the papers on the desk. So immediately, what are the papers on the desk? It kept them in order. It arranged the notes, letters and bills into separate folders. So it had divided what are the papers. It means in that paper some notes are there, some letters are there and some bills are there. So they divided them and kept all in separate folders. Then Mr. Nag was very surprised. See how it is dividing all the letters, notes and bills in separate folders. Could we imagine like this? No. That's why Mr. Nag was very surprised. Then what happened, see children? Then Mr. Nag said that his assistant must be able to type letters. Then the dog sat at the computer and neatly typed a letter and it took a printout also. So still Mr. Nag said he did not want a dog as an assistant. So to avoid the dog, he said that his assistant must be able to type letters. By listening to this, what happened? The dog sat at the computer. See children? The dog sat at the computer and neatly typed a letter. And even it took a printout also. So, is it possible for any dog, children? But this is possible for this dog. Why? Because children, why only possible for this dog? Because this is the dog who could read the notice, tidy the desk, type on the computer, take a printout and mew or speak like a cat. These are the abilities of this dog. So this is different from other dogs. So after what happened, see children? So when the dog had typed the letter and took a printout, then Mr. Nag once again very much impressed. Very much impressed means he liked the work done by the dog and said that he could not give this job to a dog. Why? Because nobody will give a job to a dog. So that's why he said that he could not give this job to a dog. Instead, he needed someone who could speak more than one language. So again he kept one more condition. What is that? His assistant should speak any other language. Then immediately the dog mewed like a cat. Mewed like a cat means it spoke like a cat. So see here, when Mr. Nag said that his assistant should know another language, then immediately the dog mewed like a cat. See children here? The dog immediately mewed like a cat. It means it expressed that he could speak another language also. Why? Because Mr. Nag asked for his assistant should know any other language. But children, see, even whatever the abilities the person had or not. But here the dog had all these abilities. So here the story ends. And Mr. Nog, what's the decision he had taken? We don't know. But we can come to a conclusion. What is the conclusion means? See, children, we cannot guess what a person is capable of simply by their looks. Once again, children, we cannot guess what a person is capable of simply by their looks. It means by looking at a person or anyone, we should not say whether he or she is a clever or foolish one. It means we should not judge by looking their faces. So that is the moral of the story here, children. Children, I hope that you have understood the story. But children, listen to this video for 2 or 3 times. Then it will be very easy for you to understand. Thank you, children.